In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy payment method in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're updating your billing information for better management or just got a new credit card, staying on top of your payment methods is crucial for seamless service. Let's walk you through this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. To do this, head over to the GoDaddy website and click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your name, which is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Account Settings. This is where you manage all the nitty-gritty details of your account, including your payment methods. Now, with your account settings open, you'll see several options. Here, you'll want to locate and click on Payment Methods. This section is dedicated solely to how you manage and update the payment options associated with your account. It's important to keep this information up to date to avoid any interruptions in service. In the Payment Methods section, you'll see the current payment options linked to your account. To add a new one, look for and click the Add Payment Method button. This is your gateway to inputting new billing details, whether it's a credit card or other payment options GoDaddy may offer. After clicking Add Payment Method, a form will appear where you can input your new card details. Be sure to enter the information accurately: card number, expiration date, and any other required details. When you're satisfied everything is correct, simply click Save. Doing this will ensure your new payment method is stored and ready to use for future transactions. One final touch. You might notice an option to use the new card as a backup payment method. If you want to ensure that this new card is billed in case your primary one fails, you can check the box near the message that says, "Use as backup payment method for this account." This is a great feature to prevent any service disruption due to billing issues. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment method on your GoDaddy account, ensuring everything is up to date and ready for your next billing cycle. By following these simple steps, you can maintain the service flow and stay worry-free about unexpected interruptions due to outdated payment information. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.